Good morning guys, and it's January 10 and nasa elevator kami because we are going outside and magsha-shopping kami. Isa-shopping ko ang aking family, especially yung dumating kahapon. So, kasi yung sa Malaysia na brothers ko na shopping ko na, and then yung mga nahuhuli is shopping ko din. And then nandyan niya kami sa Mall of Asia, nag-ikot-ikot, and yan kasama ko ng aking anak at ang aking dalaga kasi doon yan sila galing sa Bicol, sa papa nila. Yan, nagpili kami ng mga shorts dyan, mga t-shirts kung saan may pang-UOTD sila sa Palawan. Siyempre naman guys, di ba? Kailangan may UOTD. So ngayon, magbabayad kami na soon. So, yes. Sabi ng cashier, nakailang balik ka na dito, mama? Kasi gamit ko guys yung Paymaya card ko, is very easy. Andyan na kami sa Baywalk sa may Mall of Asia kung saan nag-aantay kami ng time. And ano lang kami, like tingin-tingin yung view, nakimasid, alam mo yun. And dyan kasi kami magdi-dinner din. Sino? Gagot ang bagaw nga ho. Ay kakaon ta sakay ho. Pila? 50. Bilog ka ano? Daywa 200 pag 1 person. Sige, may slip mo na yun. Pagdaan kayo. My love, where you go? So, ayan guys, nag-rent yung sister ko ng bike for 1 hour. I don't know how much, nakalimutan ko kung magkano ang per hour niya. So, sinubukan namin ni hubby na mag-bike din. And yeah, it's fun. Grabe yung tawa namin. So, nag-enjoy talaga kami dyan. So, pati yung mga iba kong kapatid, yung mga anak ko, talagang pabalik-balik sila ng biking. And sinubukan din ng nanay ko, ng tatay ko. Sobrang saya lang namin. Ang sarap na makasama yung mga family talaga. And ang daming tao dyan guys. And that nasa airport kami for our next flight sa Puerto Princesa, Palawan. And there we go. I think I have to go toilet later and before yeah we have to. I think we have to do that. Yeah, I think so. Sis, need ba natin magpila lahat? Need ba? Yeah, they are checking. So, ayan na nga, pumipila na kami para sa aming check-in baggage and lahat kami, of course, kasi tinitingnan nila yung aming mga passports and yung ticket. Ang saya talaga guys na mag-banding kayo ng family mo. Yung vacation nyo is marami kayo, almost buong family. Sobrang enjoy, sobrang saya. Alam mo yung worth it yung pag-uwi mo, and of course yung pagtatrabaho mo dito ng work hard and para makasave ng pera and para makabili ng ticket nila and vacation together. Nakabidyo. Kaya pa ba? Paulo, tsaka
Meron na Paolo na isa. Ban natin.
video lang po yan.
Oh, video ka lang, picture. May spaghetti.
Ina?
Kape pa more.
Ano doon? Ah.
Sakit ka at Palawan cake has Dove ba? Pero ito yung sa ubos na medyo bluish lang. Black and
Ah, si Doc?
bakit hindi daw siya makalabas dito?
Hindi. Maglayas. Kasi po sayang yung renta niya sa bahay.
Sino may mag-video kon i-videohon kung taro sawa ito ho? Hindi ako mag-video. So guys, talagang yung brother ko ang pinapicture ko ng ahas kasi hindi ko talaga kayang tingnan or ako ang mag-video. Hindi talaga ako guys tumingin dyan. Nasilip ko lang siya pero hindi ko talaga kaya. Kilabutan ako. Kaya umalis ako. But din gusto ko siyang picturean talaga or videohan. Kaya inutusan ko yung brother ko na mag-take ng video. Kasi guys kung ako ang mag-take ng video niyan, hindi ako makakatulog. So no to ahas talaga guys. Ikakamatay ko talaga yan. Ahas na yan. Kahit yung maliliit lang na uod, hindi ko kaya. What more pa kaya yan?
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah.
You can hold the tail na. Hold the tail na. It's okay, no worries. Smile! Kiss! 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 Kiss!
Ano yan?
Kiss!
Tapusing, dikit man. 1, 2, 3. Feeling half bend. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ikaw punta yun yung pasan.
Ay, nag-picture.
Video ako na lang.
Video.
Ay,
Video. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. I'll look first.
baka sa man yung picture.
Mga faces.
Thank you.
Okay, just three.
Ikaw, Pao. That happened. Just Ikaw
So, ako gusto ko
Tato, Pao.
Tato. I want to have tato. Ako man ba, gusto ko
Tato na ako. Gusto niya, Obi, oh.